Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the ElevenLabs for YouTube videos and content creation. This is fast, simple, and seriously impressive. Let's get started. First, visit the 11labs.io and create an account. You can start with a free plan to things out or pick a paid plan if you need more voice generation and advanced feature. Then go to the speech synthesis tab in your dashboard. This is where you'll turn your text script into a realistic voiceover. Then here you can type or paste your video script into the text box. Make sure that your script is clean and ready to be read naturally. And then here you can choose a voice from the preset voice library. There are various voices of male, female, and a multilingual option. You can also adjust the voice stability and clarity or the similarity to suit the voice tone. If you want to completely custom voice, go to Voice Lab section and either create a new voice profile or clone your own. This is optional. Then you can adjust the voice settings to control the delivery. Like you can adjust the stability for a higher stability for consistent tone, a clarity plus similarity enhancement for the crisp and high quality audio, and a style exaggeration if you want the voice to be more expressive. Then here click the generate and wait a few seconds, then preview the result. If it sounds good, hit download and save the AI generated voiceover. And you can add voiceover to your video. Just open the video editor like CapCut, Canva, and more. Then import your video and your voiceover. Then place the audio into the timeline. Sync it with the video, add music, effects, you're good to go. And that's it. Super easy, right? With 11 Labs, you can instantly add professional, natural sounding voiceover to your YouTube content and elevate your videos without the breaking of the bank or spending hours recording. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.